Gladwell says it takes 10,000 hours to master a skill. What he didn't say is your spine follows the exact same rule. Whatever posture you repeat for 10,000 hours becomes permanent. Not just a habit, permanent structure in your spine, bones, discs, and nerves. And by the age of 30, the average office worker has already logged over 10,000 hours hunched at a desk. Add phone time, another 10,000 hours looking down. That's enough to completely reshape your neck curve forever. This is a 28-year-old spine. No injury, no heavy lifting, no trauma, just 10,000 hours of modern life. The curve that's supposed to protect her neck, gone, replaced by straight bones, which are irritating nerves and put a lot of extra stress through the muscles. Every hour you spend slouched, you're training your spine to stay the same way. It's not weakness, it's adaptation. Your body's obedient. It builds exactly what you ask for, hour after hour. Here's the brutal truth. By the time you feel pain, you're not 1,000 hours in, you're past 10,000. The damage is already baked in. Pain is just an alarm going off after the house has been burning for years. You're literally sculpting your future spine right now. The one that you'll live in when you're 50, 60, and 70. The one that decides if you can play with the grandkids or watch from a chair. The good news, this rule works both ways. 10,000 hours of better alignment can rebuild what's been lost, but you can't do it alone, not when the structure has already changed. Your spine doesn't care about your New Year's resolutions, it only counts hours. And right now, it's counting tomorrow. So, if you want to see what your spine looks like, reach out. We'd love to help if you're in South Australia. If you're stuck, literally, give us a call. We'd love to help. Just message me directly. On our next video, we'll be talking about the compound interest of posture. See you on the next video.